Hello and welcome to Gentle Health with Dr. Steven. Today, I'm thrilled to share one simple exercise you can do daily to help keep your heart strong, lower the risk of stroke, ease leg discomfort, and maintain steady blood pressure. This move can make you feel robust, energized, and as fit as an astronaut in top form. The exercise? It's the squat. Let's explore why it's so effective, how to do it correctly, and how it can transform your health. Squats are a wonderful exercise that strengthen your lower body. They target your thighs, hips, and backside while engaging your core muscles for better balance and stability. Beyond building muscle, squats fortify your bones, especially in your hips and lower back, which are vital for staying active as we age. Stronger bones support your body and reduce the risk of falls or injuries. Squats also improve your posture, helping you stand taller and move with ease. Daily tasks like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs become much easier and less tiring. Plus, squats boost your metabolism, helping your body burn fat and maintain a healthy weight over time. Strong legs and hips not only improve movement, but also lift your confidence and energy. Whether you're new to exercise or staying active at home, squats are simple and effective for everyone. Now, let's learn how to do a squat properly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight and look forward. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips, as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees over your ankles. Go down as far as feels comfortable, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Start with 5 to 10 squats daily, increasing as you feel stronger. Add squats to your routine today, and you'll soon feel stronger and more capable. If this was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Gentle Health, and share it with a friend who could benefit. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.